this back in stock. Make sure you guys run for this one if you guys need it. There's only limited quantities available. I'm gonna go over real quick. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more 2 deals, price glitches. So I'll leave you guys that link down below in the description section of the video. So this was a pro special buy of the week. There's only 65 of these available. Last time I checked it was 75, so it's selling really quick. So I will try to upload this as soon as possible. So what you're doing is you are getting installation driver with all the bits, all the accessories, the case, and you're getting a 5 amp hour high output battery. That's what makes this deal very, very good. So yeah, it's just for $159. I mean, that's just how much the installation driver costs, maybe a little bit more than that. It says save 46%. So you got the M12 installation driver, 3/8 all metal chuck attachment, 1/4 inch attachment. So yeah, guys, if you guys do a lot of cabinetry work, fine woodworking, even just for around the house, I mean, these are odd places to get into. This is the perfect one. 1/4 inch attachment, offset attachment, get the right angle attachment, and you get the contractor bag. So get all that. 4-in-1 dedicated solutions, access control, up to 300 inch-pounds of max torque, flat top design, 5.1 inches in length, 2-mode speed selector, got 0 to 400 RPM, 0 to 1600 RPM, forward and reverse switch, removable belt clip, weight with battery or without battery is 1.6 pounds, magnetic bit holder, battery gauge, multi-position clutch, 1/4 inch collet, 300 inch-pounds of max torque. So yeah, you're getting a lot of features with this little guy. Those are all the bits again. If you guys, dedicated solutions, access control. Yeah, it's just like under cabinetry and under sinks and all that stuff. It's just a wide variety of applications you guys can use this tool on. And that's another option you guys could use in case you guys don't have leverage in between walls. So yeah, guys, I'll leave you guys that link down below in the description section of the video. I'll see if I can find an affiliate link. If not, then I'll just leave a regular link down below. See you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.